Hello, lovely housewives. Welcome to Housewife Chronicles. I'm your host, Nancy, and on this channel, I'm going to be sharing a few tips and tricks on fixing, cleaning, and doing wifey things around the house. Let's dive in. Today, we're going to change the blades to the Honda Quadra lawnmower. Important reminder, make sure you unplug the spark plug, and you could also put a Ziploc on the gas tank so it doesn't leak. Let's get started. We're gonna tilt the lawnmower this way. Otherwise things would be leaking out of everything in here. So it's better to tilt it this way. All right, you're gonna need something to stop the blade. I'm gonna be using a bucket of paint. I'll set it under, and I'm going to be using wood. So to loosen it up, I'm going to be putting this under the left to stop the blade. As you can see, the blades are very chipped, bent. They're really bad. All right, let's change them. This is the blade that I'm using, twin blade, for this model of the lawnmower. All right, let's install them. These blades sit together. The smaller blade goes in the back and the bigger blade goes in the front. Okay, now to tighten the bolts, you have to make sure that you tighten them really good, because this could hurt somebody or even kill somebody. So let's tighten these super tight. And we're all done. Stay tuned for next week's video. I'll be putting these blades to the test as I tackle some landscaping projects. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.